Growth Park brings to you 5 best side hustle sites for beginners worldwide. We promised in our last video to bring to you different ways by which you can multiply your streams of income. Here you have it. Before we get into it, it is worth noting that you can start your side hustle on any or all of these sites from anywhere in the world. These sites offer remote, work-from-home jobs that almost anyone can do. All you need to start making money is a laptop or a smartphone, and a good internet connection. The links to sign up on these websites will be in the description of this video. When you're done getting the needed information from here, use the links in the description to register on the sites. If you've been in the online business environment for a while, you may be aware of or even working on some of these sites. But you need to watch this entire video to be sure, because there is a particular one that pays well, and is almost new in the block. Like this video and subscribe to this channel now. Let's get to it. Before we get into it, it is worth noting, these videos are for illustration purposes only. Growth Park is only used to illustrate the simplicity of registration on the sites. You'll have to provide your own legal information when registering to avoid being disqualified on the sites. The first website we'll recommend on this list is Telus International. Telus International designs, builds and delivers digital solutions for global brands. To work as a freelancer on Telus, you have to sign up on their AI community platform. The AI community is a crowd of remote workers who provide services to Telus International AI data solutions customers. They help these customers collect, enhance, train, translate and localize their content to build better AI models. The jobs available on the AI community platform are data annotation, data enrichment, online rating, online maps and data analysis. Don't be discouraged by the job titles, there are not complex jobs. To join the Telus AI community, you must create an account on the sign-up page by filling out the registration form. Once your account is created, you can check the AI careers portal's filters to see if there are any jobs available for you. If there are any open jobs, be sure to click on them to find out more about them, and the primary qualifications for each one. If you believe you are a good fit for a particular job, you can apply for it. You might need to go through a qualification test before you are allowed to work, depending on the job you're applying for. Make sure you get familiar with the project requirements and follow the guidance given. If you pass the test, you'll be approved to do the job. The hourly rate for Telus AI community jobs ranges from $8 to $15 per hour for tasks that are paid on an hourly basis. There is no standard charge for tasks that are paid for independently because they can vary greatly from one another. You can choose the projects to work on. You can expect to earn an average rate between $300 and $2,000 per month. Payments are made through Hyperwallet on Telus International AI community platform. From there you'll choose either PayPal or bank transfer as your payment method. PayPal is a common payment option on these sites. You need a PayPal account that can receive payments for ease of receiving your payments. If you live in a country that has restrictions on receiving payments with PayPal, leave a comment in the comments section of this video to indicate that. If a handful of people indicate that they need help receiving payments with PayPal, we'll make a detailed video on how to resolve that. For instance, many Nigerians and residents of a few other countries have restrictions on receiving payments with PayPal. If you do, just indicate it in the comments section. If we have a reasonable number who are in this situation, we'll do justice to that soon. The means of receiving payment shouldn't stand in the way of anyone taking advantage of these opportunities. The next site is GoTranscript. This is an online transcribing and translation company. To expand their staff base and keep up with their customers' orders, they are constantly looking to fill available positions for freelance transcriptionists. You can apply to work with them as a transcriber. The application process involves 1. Sign up for the position of transcriber on their website. The links will be in the description. 2. Study the guidelines provided on the site. 3. Study the samples that are in the guidelines. 4. Take the test which is provided. You must complete a 10-question quiz 100% correctly, using the guidelines provided, before you will be allowed to take the transcription test. The test involves transcribing audio and video files into text. Once you pass the test, you'll be notified and you'll start getting available jobs through emails. The average payment rate is 60 cents per minute of audio transcribed. That compiles to much over time. As a GoTranscript transcriber, you get emails of jobs available and you freely choose which jobs to work on. You work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. Your payment is calculated in minutes, based on the length of audio or video files you transcribed, and you get paid every Friday. Appen is next. Appen is a company that offers various work-from-home jobs. These jobs mostly involve assessing search engine and social media platform offerings, or carrying out tasks related to AI training. You can apply for the positions of a transcriber, translator, search engine evaluator, social media evaluator and data entry jobs at Appen. They use their Appen Connect platform to handle every aspect of hiring and onboarding. To gain access, you must first create a user account and profile on the platform. The link will be in the description. After your application has been accepted, you can explore a list of available projects on your dashboard by choosing the All Projects option. You can learn more about each opportunity by following the directions provided there. The payment rate ranges from $3 to $45 per hour, depending on the type of job you do. Appen makes payments via PayPal and Payoneer. You'll have to set up an account with either of these payment platforms to receive your payments if you don't have one already. If you're getting any value from this video, hit the like button, and subscribe to this channel now for more quality videos. The number 4 site we recommend for beginners' side hustle is Swagbucks. Swagbucks has apps in Google Play, iTunes, and a mobile website. This means that you can earn points which you can convert to cash while doing relaxing activities such as shopping, watching videos online, searching the web or answering surveys. It's very easy to sign up on Swagbucks. To sign up, simply click the link in the description and it will take you to the sign up page. All you need do there is to provide your email address, create your password, accept their terms and click on the sign up now button. There is no test required to start working with Swagbucks. You can make some hundreds to a few thousand extra dollars a year on the website. It shouldn't be a full-time job, but you'll earn some extra cash for doing things you do for free normally. Earnings are paid with Swagbucks currency known as SB, which you can easily convert to PayPal cash, gift cards, or checks. Human Microbes is the 5th site we recommend, not just for beginners, but for anyone interested in earning massive income from something they would normally flush away. It is our star site because they use what is ordinarily considered to be waste to solve human health problems. Human Microbes is a stool donor network. They deal in stool transplant, that is, the process of transferring fecal bacteria and other microbes from a healthy individual into another individual. This is an effective treatment for Clostridioides difficile infection. What you have to do is to qualify to become a stool donor, and you start making a minimum of $500 per stool you donate. You need to apply to be a stool donor. The link to apply will be in the description. Once you qualify as a stool donor, you can decide how often you donate. You get paid a minimum of $500 every time you donate your poop. We have a video entirely dedicated to this work-from-home side hustle. We advise that you go watch it as soon as you're done watching this. The video is titled, How to Make $500 Daily from Your Stool. Go check it out to understand it better, so you can start taking advantage of the opportunity. This particular side hustle may sound gross, but it puts massive income into your bank account. Those are the 5 sites we recommend for anyone to start, or increase their streams of income working from home. We hope you won't delay signing up on these websites. We at Growth Park are seriously rooting for you. If you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you, give it a thumbs up, and share with your loved ones. For more income growth videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.